Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you on how to fix connection or login error code 2100 in Marvel Rivals so you can get back into the game without any interruptions. First, restart your PC and the game because this error can often be caused by temporary login or network glitches. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable since weak or unstable networks are a major reason for this issue. Try switching to a wired connection or restarting your router for better stability. After that, disable any VPN or proxy you are using because it can block or interrupt server authentication. You should also make sure your firewall or antivirus is not blocking the game by adding it to the allowed list. Then, verify the game files through your launcher to fix any corrupted or missing data. Another useful step is flushing your DNS cache using command prompt to refresh network routing. Finally, restart your system and try logging in again, and error code 2100 should be resolved in most cases. Subscribe the channel for more videos.